Hello everybody, this is the Modest Mama 5 and I'm here to show you a new technique or a technique on how to subtract. And this is like for the 2nd through like 5th grade understanding. So if you have anybody who's struggling on how to regroup or subtract, this is the video you need to watch. Are you ready? Let's go, let's learn. Okay, so normally when you subtract, you start from the ones place, right? Then you go all the way to the left to the thousands. So you have the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So what you want to do is, with the technique that I use, you start from the left and then you work your way to the right, then you work your way back to the left to solve the problem. So right now, normally, if you was to work from here, you would say, can I do 3 take away 5? And you will borrow from the 10, right? Well, with the technique I'm going to show you, we're going to start from the thousands place right here. So being that there's no number here, we're going to circle these 2 digits, 16, to make it a bigger number instead of doing 1 take away 0. So we have 16 take away 9. We could do 16 take away 9 because 16 is a larger number. Can we do 6 take away 7? No, because 6 is smaller than 7. So we have to make 6 bigger. So we have to, borrow from 16. So we ask Mr. 16, can we have, can we get a number from you? Sure. You make 6 become 16, and you make 16 become 15. You make this number smaller so you can make this number bigger so they can subtract. Then you ask yourself, can I do 3 take away 5? No, because 3 is too small. So we borrow from Mr. 16. Mr. 16, Mr. 3 says, Mr. 16, we need to borrow something from you. Can you give us something? Sure. Mr. 16 makes himself smaller and gives Mr. 3 a 10. Mr. 3 becomes Mr. 13. Okay? So now you have your numbers you can work with. You have your 13, 15, 15. Now you can subtract. So now that you have all these numbers, subtract. 13, take away 5. For the ones who have issues, with doing it in your head, just count down. Like like you're counting down the numbers like 10, 9, 8. It's just like that. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So 13 take away 5 is 8. Same thing for 15 take away 7. Count down. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. 15 take away 7 is 8. Same thing with 15 take away 9. Count down. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And that's your answer. Now, if you want to check it from here, you can. To make sure you got your answer right, you ask yourself, let's use 5, right? Because this is the number. 13 take away 5 is 8. So let's do the opposite of subtraction. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So let's add. We're going to add 8 plus 5. And then we're going to do 8 plus 7 and 6 plus 9. Now, if we did it right, it would match this top number here, which was 1663. Okay? So let's add. 8 plus 5 is 13. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus one more is 16. 6 plus 9 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. So, does it match? Yes. That's how we know we got our answer right, by doing the opposite. So we're going to do one more over here, and we're going to see if we can keep learning. Okay, so remember, we start from the left, then we go to the right and start backwards. So there's no number here, so we circle these 2 digits to make it bigger so we can subtract 11 take away 9. Can we do 1 take away 9? No, 1 is too small, so we have to borrow from Mr. 11, make Mr. 11 10, make Mr. 1 Mr. 11. Okay? Then you ask yourself, can I do 1 take away 9? No, 1 is too small. So we borrow from Mr. 11, make Mr. 11 10, make Mr. 1 11. Now we have all of our numbers for the top number, right? Now we can subtract. 11 take away 9, right, is 2. Let's count down. 11 take away 9. Let's count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay? 10 take away 9. Let's count down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 take away 9 is 1. We just did the same thing. That should be your answer, okay? Let's check it. Remember, to check your answer, you do the opposite. What's the opposite of subtracting? Adding. You add. Add the numbers from the bottom row here. 2 plus 9, 1 plus 9, and 1 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. Does it match? Oh, sorry. Does it match the previous number at the top? Yes. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. That's how we know we have it right. So I hope this helped. This is just a technique that I use to teach my kids. You start from the left, you work to the right, and you go back left. And then to see if you got the answer right, you plug it in numbers from the bottom row to your answer, and you do the opposite of what you're doing here. And you got it. We all can learn. We all can have fun learning. You know, don't get frustrated. Math is hard sometimes for people, but you can do it if you believe in yourself, okay? So I'm here for you. Be sure to like our video, subscribe to The Modest Mama 5, and we look forward to seeing you again. And I hope you guys are enjoying your homeschool journey. And have a good day. Bye.